Pinoy Bix.
Welcome to Pinoy Bics. So problem natin ngayon is how many different ways can 5 boys and 5 girls form a circle with boys and girls alternate? So ang keyword natin ngayon is 5 boys, 5 girls, and magpo-form sila ng circle which wherein the boys and girls alternate. So, para mas madali nating maunawaan, so mayroon ako ditong diagram. Form sila ng circle at yung blue ay inassume ko para sa boys at yung green naman ay para girls at yung black ay permanently occupied. Okay. So, ginawa ko na lang yung ating black ay para sa boys. So, although pwede naman itong gawing sa girl. Okay. So, for this particular solution, para sa boys yung ating permanently occupied. So, first, so let assign values. Let n equivalent to total number of arrangement. And the number of ways the boys can be arranged since magpo-form sila ng circle at mayroon siya ditong permanently occupied na isa. So therefore, ang ating number of ways equivalent to, so base dun sa ating formula ng permutations ng kapag magpo-form ng circle or in a table. So total number minus 1. So ito yung ating permanently occupied. 5 minus 1 factorial, so equivalent to 4 factorial. Tulad ng sabi ko kanina, pwede naman itong gawin natin para sa girls. So, for this particular nga lang, sinabi ko lang na yung permanently occupied is boys yun. Okay. The number of ways the girls can be arranged, okay, since na 5 sila, so we have 5 factorial. And n, so equivalent to using the fundamental principle of counting. So, the number of ways ng ating boys, which is 4 factorial, times the number of ways the girls can be arranged, which is 5 factorial. So, the total is equivalent to 2,880 ways. So, ito yung total number of arrangement. So, finalize lang natin. There are 2,880 ways or arrangement. So, I hope nakatulong ang video na ito para sa inyo na makapag-solve ng ganitong klaseng problem. So, huwag kalilimutan, subscribe to my channel to follow my upcoming videos. So, again, thank you.
Pinoy Bix.